Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a traditional and mouth-watering Rajasthani delicacy, Gatte Ki Sabzi. It's a curry made with chickpea flour dumpling served in a flavorful and spicy gravy. So let's get started. For Gatte Ki Sabzi, we'll need 1 cup chickpea flour, half teaspoon hing, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon Ajwain, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 pinch baking powder, 4 teaspoon curd. In a mixing bowl, combine all the dry ingredients together and mix well. Now take a small portion of dough and roll it into a cylindrical shapes, reassembling thick sausages, and these are gatte. To cook the gatte, boil water in a pan. Add the gatte and let them cook for about 7 to 8 minutes until they float to the surface. Once cooked, remove them and set them aside. Now let's assemble our gatte ki sabzi. In a pan, heat some oil and fry the boiled gatte until they turn golden brown. Now moving on to the curry. For the curry, we'll need 250 ml oil in a pan, 2 whole red chilies. Add the rice seeds, Jeera seeds, crushed coriander seeds and hing and let them splutter. Next add minced garlic, chopped onions and cook until the onion turn translucent. Now add chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil starts to separate. Now it's time to add the spices. Add salt, haldi powder, kasturi methi, coriander powder, red chilli powder and garam masala. Mix well and cook for a minute. If you want, you can add a little water after adding all these spices and cook for some time. Gradually add the curd while continuously stirring to avoid the lumps. Let the gravy simmer for a few minutes until it thickens. Finally, add the fried gatte to the gravy and let them soak up the flavor for a couple of minutes. And there you have it. The delectable Rajasthani Gatte Ki Sabzi is ready to be served. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve it hot with a chapati for a satisfying meal. Stay tuned for new regional recipes and don't forget to like, subscribe and share your recreation in the comments below. Happy cooking!